Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English with Anna and Mark. Today, we'll learn some basic English, greetings, numbers, days, and simple words for daily life. Are you ready, Mark?
Yes, I'm ready, Anna.
Great. Let's start with greetings. How to say hello. When you meet someone, you can say hello or hi. Can you say it, Mark?
Hello. Hi.
Good job. Now, when it's morning, you can say good morning. Try that.
Good morning.
Nice. In the afternoon, you say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And in the evening, you say good evening. Before bed, you can say good night.
Good evening. Good night.
Excellent. Let's practice. I'll say the time, you say the greeting. Morning,
Good morning.
afternoon,
Good afternoon.
night.
Good night.
Perfect. You sound great. Now, let's learn how to ask, how are you? You can say, how are you? And the answer is, I'm fine, thank you. Or, I'm good, thanks. Let's try.
How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Nice and clear. Let's practice again slowly. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Wonderful. Now, if someone says, hello, how are you? You can answer, I'm fine. How are you? Try that, Mark.
Hello. How are you? I'm fine. How are you?
Perfect. Okay, now let's move to numbers. Let's count from 1 to 10. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Let's do it again, a little faster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great! Now let's practice small exercises. How many fingers do you have?
10 fingers.
Yes, 10 fingers. How many eyes?
2 eyes.
Good. How many ears?
2 ears.
Perfect. Now let's try a mini quiz for our listeners. Ready, everyone? How many days are in a week?
7 days.
That's right, 7 days in a week. Let's say them together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Nice. Now, Mark, what day is your favorite?
I like Saturday. It's the weekend.
Me too. Saturday and Sunday are the weekend. Let's repeat that for our listeners. Saturday and Sunday are the weekend.
Saturday and Sunday are the weekend.
Great. Now let's learn about things around us. Objects. Repeat after me. A book. A pen. A chair. A table. A phone. A bag.
A book, a pen, a chair, a table, a phone, a bag.
Nice. Now, let's make short sentences. This is a book. Can you say it?
This is a book.
This is a pen.
This is a pen.
Good. Now let's try that is a chair.
That is a chair.
Excellent. Let's do a little review. This, near me. That, far from me. Can you give an example, Mark?
This is a phone. That is a bag.
Perfect. Now let's talk about food and drinks. Everyone loves food, right?
Oh, yes, I love food.
Me too. Let's learn some simple words. Repeat after me. Rice, bread, apple, banana, chicken, fish.
Rice, bread, apple, banana, chicken, fish.
Very good. Now drinks. Water, tea, coffee, milk, juice.
Water, tea, coffee, milk, juice.
Great. Now let's make small sentences. I like apples. Can you say it?
I like apples.
I like coffee.
I like coffee.
I don't like milk.
I don't like milk.
Excellent pronunciation. Now let's practice a conversation about food. What do you like to eat?
I like chicken and rice.
What do you like to drink?
I like tea.
Me too. I like tea in the morning.
I like coffee in the morning.
Nice. Now let's talk about daily activities. Repeat after me. Wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, go to school, eat lunch, go home, watch TV, go to bed.
Wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, go to school, eat lunch, go home, watch TV, go to bed.
Perfect. Now let's put them into small sentences. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. Try that.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Great. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
Very good. Now let's practice together for our listeners. Everyone repeat after us. I wake up in the morning. I go to work. I eat lunch. I go home. I go to bed.
I wake up in the morning. I go to work. I eat lunch. I go home. I go to bed.
Excellent. Now let's play a small game. I'll say a word and you tell me if it's a food, a drink, or an activity. Ready?
Ready.
Coffee.
Drink.
Good. Rice.
Food.
Brush teeth.
Activity.
Yes. Banana.
Food.
Water.
Drink.
Perfect. You're doing great.
Now let's review what we learned today.
Today we learned how to say hello. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. We learned how to ask, "How are you?" and answer, "I'm fine, thank you." We learned numbers from 1 to 10. We learned the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We learned objects: book, pen, chair, table, phone, bag. We learned food and drinks: rice, bread, apple, banana, chicken, fish, water, tea, coffee, milk, juice. And we learned daily activities: wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, go home, watch TV, go to bed.
Wow, that's a lot. I learned so much today.
You did amazing, Mark. And to our listeners, you did amazing too. Let's finish with one last practice. I'll say it in English. You repeat after me. Ready?
Ready.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Monday, Tuesday. I like apples.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I go to bed at 10.
I go to bed at 10.
That was fun.
Yes, it was.
Remember, learning English is like a